Hello everyone, hope all of you guys are doing pretty well. Today I bought few surprises for you guys. Introducing live masterclass on Oracle Identity Manager development. The agenda of the entire program is divided in 2 days. On day 1, we will be discussing on Introduction to OIM Development, Trusted and Target Reconciliation, reconciliation concepts like reconciliation transformation, reconciliation rules, etc., provisioning concepts like how provisioning works. Adapters overview. In this section, we will be discussing on pre-populate and process task adapters. On day 2, we will begin with introduction to forms. We will discuss about user form and process form. Then we will discuss on parent form and child forms. Next, we will discuss on event handlers like pre-process and post-process event handlers, etc. We will discuss on the architecture of out-of-the-box scheduled task, and at the end I will provide you an overview about the connectors. Who should join these sessions? Anyone who is working on Oracle Identity Manager can join this session. People who are preparing for the interview, I would suggest them, you guys must join this session. Why should you join? It will provide you a very solid foundation on Oracle Identity Management. Most of the interview questions are going to be asked from these topics. How to attend the sessions? In order to join the session, register yourself just by filling up the Google form. The form link is given in the description. I will share the meeting invitation over the email by tonight. I am conducting this session on 25th and 26th April, and the timings are 7:30 AM Indian Standard Time and 9 PM Central Standard Time. Now let's discuss about the fee. Any guess? Anyone? Yes, you are right. It's absolutely free. See you tomorrow in the class. Bye bye.